Taking a screenshot on a Pixel 9 allows you to quickly capture and save important information, images, or conversations displayed on your screen for easy reference or sharing. Let's dive in and get you familiar with the process. To take a standard screenshot, all you need to do is tap the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. When done correctly, you'll see the screen flash briefly, followed by a thumbnail of your screenshot appearing at the bottom of the screen. Try it again. Tap both buttons at the same time, and just like that, your screen flashes and the screenshot is captured. To access your saved screenshots, open the Photos app, head to the Collections tab, and you'll find the Screenshots folder. Inside, you can view, share, edit, or even analyze your screenshots using Google Lens. Everything is organized and ready for you to manage your captures. You can also use the Files app, and you should be able to find the new screenshots under the Recent section. Now, if you're looking to take a full page or scrolling screenshot for a long web page, tap on the link at the top as we've created a separate tutorial just for it. That's all it takes. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.